Ever feel like your homemade coffee just doesn't quite measure up to what you get at your local cafe? Imagine starting your day with the perfect espresso right from your kitchen. The best espresso machines can make that dream a reality. In this video, we will break down the best 5 espresso machines of 2024. So, are you looking for a machine that's easy to use and straightforward, or are you ready to dive into the art of making espresso? Top machines blend simplicity with the ability to create high-quality drinks. They usually have powerful pumps, 15 bars or more, to extract those rich flavors, and built-in grinders for fresh beans every single time. Here's a tip: look for features like precise temperature control. It's crucial for getting that perfect shot. And don't forget steam wands for frothing milk into creamy lattes and cappuccinos. Some models even let you program your favorite settings, so your ideal cup is just a button push away. So let's get started. Number 6. Casabrews Espresso Machine CM5418. A fantastic choice if you're on a budget and don't mind a few compromises. This little gem is incredibly compact, which is perfect for tight kitchen spaces, and at just $139, it's inexpensive compared to many other machines out there. It also makes good coffee, giving you a solid brew without breaking the bank. However, it does have its quirks. The steam function can be a bit tricky to get the hang of, and it can't handle super fine grounds, so you'll need to adjust your grind size. The included tamper is somewhat flimsy, which might be a minor hassle. With its 6-inch width, it's even more space efficient than the Bambino, and it's less than half the price. But does it make a great espresso and steam milk effectively? Here's a quick look at its specs. It measures 12, multiplied by 12 x 5.9 inches, made of stainless steel and plastic with a 31 fluid ounce capacity. It has settings for 1 and 2 cups and steam, a removable water reservoir, and a 20 bar pump pressure. It comes with a milk frother, but no grinder, and includes a tamper and cleaning tools. The Casabrews also comes in several colors, including baby blue and cream, which is a fun touch. While it doesn't have the premium build of more expensive machines, it's attractive and functional for the price. Overall, for the cost of about 35 venti lattes at Starbucks, the Casabrews CM5418 delivers a solid homebrew, perhaps even better, depending on your take on Starbucks. Number 5. Gaggia Classic Evo Pro, which I'm calling the best traditional espresso machine out there, starting at around $399. If you're all about that classic espresso experience, this might be your new best friend. First up, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro brings serious muscle to your coffee game with its 15-bar pressure system. Think of this as the powerhouse behind every shot, ensuring you get a bold, aromatic espresso just like you'd expect from a high-end cafe. The built-in pressure gauge is a fantastic touch, letting you keep an eye on the pressure and tweak it to perfection. Now, if you're a fan of lattes or cappuccinos, you're in for a treat. The powerful steam wand on this machine is a game changer. It whips up creamy, rich microfoam that's perfect for latte art or just making your coffee taste amazing. This level of control is pretty rare in budget machines, so it's like having a mini barista right in your kitchen. Design-wise, the classic Evo Pro is compact and stylish, great for those of us with limited counter space. It features a 34-ounce removable water tank, so you'll spend less time refilling and more time enjoying your espresso. Whether you're brewing a single or double shot, this machine handles it all effortlessly. For the specifics, the classic Evo Pro is semi-automatic, measures 8L x 9.5W x 14.2H, and has a powerful 1450 watts. It also features a warming plate, a full-sized 58mm portafilter, and a stainless steel drip tray with an easy-to-remove reservoir. Gaggia has made some nice upgrades recently, like swapping chrome plating for stainless steel and improving durability. But there are a few things to note. It has a bit of a learning curve, and there's not much room under the portafilter for different size cups. Plus, you'll need a dedicated espresso grinder and tamper. Number 4. Phillips 3200 series. If you're all about user-friendliness and want a no-fuss coffee maker, this might just be your new best friend. This machine is designed with simplicity in mind. With just a touch of a button, you can whip up everything from a cappuccino to a latte macchiato. You've got a spacious 60.9-ounce water reservoir and a built-in grinder, so no need for pre-ground coffee. Plus, cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-remove parts and the Latago system. But here's where we hit a bit of a snag. The coffee strength is on the milder side, so if you're a fan of a robust espresso, this might not hit the spot. And while the milk frother does its job, the foam could be a bit denser for those perfect cafe-style drinks. On the plus side, it's compact for its features, measuring in at 17 multiplied by 14, x 9.7 inches, which means it won't dominate your kitchen counter. It comes with a measuring scoop, a water hardness test strip, and a handy AquaClean filter to keep things running smoothly. Replacement filters are reasonably priced, around $18.12 each or $28 for a 2-pack, and last for about 5,000 cups. When it comes to price tag, it starts around $699, but for about $775 or $817 with the AquaClean filter included, you're getting a machine that's straightforward to use and clean. It's perfect for those who want convenience over a high-end espresso experience. If you're looking for something that takes the guesswork out of your coffee routine, the Phillips 3200 series could be a great fit. Number 3. Terra Kaffe TK02, a super automatic espresso machine that's all about blending smart technology with fantastic coffee. If you're looking for a top-notch machine that handles everything for you, this one's worth checking out. First off, let's talk about its unique features. The Terra Kaffe TK02 is packed with intelligent sensors and extensive personalization options, allowing you to craft your perfect cup with just a few taps. The 5-inch touchscreen is not only gorgeous, but incredibly user-friendly, making it a breeze to navigate through its range of brewing options. From espresso to drip coffee, this machine does it all without the need to swap filters. Weighing in at 29.5 pounds and measuring 17, multiplied by 10, x 14.4 inches, the TK02 is a substantial but sleek addition to your kitchen. It also features a powerful 19-bar pump pressure and 5 grind adjustment levels, ensuring you get the best extraction from your beans. One of the standout features here is the app integration. You can fine-tune your coffee's strength and flavor profile right from your smartphone, making it easier than ever to get that cafe-quality brew at home. And let's not forget the machine's ability to brew both hot espresso and true drip coffee, no need for separate devices. However, there are a couple of minor drawbacks to keep in mind. The water tank is on the smaller side, meaning you might need to refill it more often. Also, the milk hose can be a bit of a hassle to remove, which might be annoying if you're in the middle of making multiple drinks. At around $1,599, it's definitely an investment. But if you're looking for a machine that blends convenience with quality and offers a truly smart brewing experience, the Terra Kaffe TK02 is worth every penny. Number 2. Breville Barista Express, which might just be the best value espresso machine out there. If you're a coffee lover looking to up your home barista game, this machine is definitely worth a closer look. The Breville Barista Express has a sleek stainless steel design that will look fantastic on any kitchen counter. Its dimensions are 14, multiplied by 12, x 16.1 inches, so it's a bit bulky, but trust me, it's worth making space for. This machine is all about convenience and quality with its built-in conical burr grinder and a 1.75-liter removable water reservoir. You've got settings for 1 or 2 shots, hot water, and steam, making it incredibly versatile. What's really impressive is its ability to produce consistently excellent espresso shots. Whether you're into single or double shots, this machine delivers with a solid 15 psi pressure. The milk frother is top-notch, making it a breeze to create that rich, creamy foam perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Plus, you get 4 different brew baskets to tailor your coffee just the way you like it. However, no product is without its quirks. The Barista Express doesn't have a low water warning, so you'll need to keep an eye on the reservoir yourself. Also, be prepared for a bit of extra maintenance. This beauty picks up fingerprints easily, so you'll be wiping it down frequently. Overall, at around $699, it's a fantastic choice if you want to invest in a machine that combines great design, powerful performance, and a range of features. While it might not be the most compact or budget-friendly option, it stands out for its value and quality. Number 1. Breville Barista Touch, our pick for the best overall coffee machine. If you're looking to up your coffee game with minimal fuss, this machine might just be your new best friend. First off, the Breville Barista Touch is a game changer when it comes to convenience and quality. With a sleek, compact design measuring 41.7 by 35.8 by 34.3 centimeters, it fits perfectly on your counter without hogging all the space. The 2-liter water tank means fewer refills, and the 340-gram hopper holds enough beans to keep you caffeinated all week. What sets this machine apart is its 54mm portafilter and integrated grinder with 30 grind settings, ensuring you get the perfect grind every time. The Barista European Precision burrs are a nice touch, giving you that extra edge for a flawless espresso shot. Plus, with a powerful 1430-1700 watt heating system and Breville's thermojet technology, you'll get a hot, delicious cup of coffee in no time. One of the coolest features, the 5-inch touchscreen. It's intuitive and makes brewing your favorite drinks as easy as tapping a button. You can save up to 6 custom coffee profiles, and the auto milk system takes care of frothing, whether you're into oat milk, soy, or classic dairy. The Barista Touch consistently delivers excellent espresso and perfect milk froth. However, it doesn't come with a pro-size 58mm portafilter and is priced higher at around $1,499. Still, considering it includes a grinder and the convenience of automatic settings, it's a solid value for the price. For those who want cafe-level coffee at home without all the manual labor, the Breville Barista Touch might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. And that's a wrap on our guide to the best espresso machines of 2024. I hope this video helped you find the perfect brew setup for your kitchen. If you enjoyed the review and found it useful, give it a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to us. Drop a comment below. What's your top priority when choosing an espresso machine? Is it the ease of use, the quality of the coffee, or the features? I'd love to hear what matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and to stay updated with all our latest reviews and coffee tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, happy brewing and stay awesome.